What are some of your like irrational icks?
When I see someone like get sick and not be able to take care of themselves.
I need mama. Did you see a difference dating guys in Bangalore versus Gurgaon?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh really?
I feel like Bangalore is a better dating space if you're ready to like settle down.
Yeah.
Delhi is good for like वो toxic man आपको मस्ती करनी है तो आप दिल्ली में date North India में date करो.
चंद्रा की वन वे टिकट कराओ.
I have gone to places for a man that you wouldn't go with a gun.
My bar for a good man I've realized is very low. So every time I go into it thinking इससे तो perfect casual क्योंकि I can't fall in love with him and bam 6 months later we're in love.
Yeah.
For that reason,
नहीं.
sorry,
एक बार तो मैंने एक लड़के को अपनी वाइफ की फोटो के साथ देखा था dating.
नो फिर वो लोग थर्ड ढूंढ रहे होते हैं ना.
yeah. Have you ever matched with such people? मेरा
Why would I match with
no
someone
because
like
मेरा ऐसा हुआ था कि I matched with a guy वो बंदे की प्रोफाइल थी and then he is like actually I have a wife and we are looking for a third person and I'm like no I feel duped.
मुझे तो नहीं लगा कि ये दो जेंडर्स आपस में डेट करने के लिए बने हैं. मुझे नहीं
Says the
लगता.
one who's dating for the last 2 years. तो फिर आपके क्या चल रहा है फिर?
अरे मेरा छोड़ो तुम अभी. सब छोड़ो.
What's been up with you?
Nothing. Largely just getting over the one situationship, which has been mostly what my dating life
आप भी इस
comprises.
एज में भी सिचुएशनशिप.
इस एज में I'm not 40. You don't plan a situationship. I think वो बस हो जाती है. You go into it thinking either casual or relationship. It turns out fooled.
Neither.
Yeah, turns out neither. Exactly.
That fucks your life.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Brunch Club. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we're so pleased to have Shreya on the panel.
Yay.
Welcome, Shreya.
Crazy. No pressure.
We've
Hi
been
guys.
waiting for this day for very long.
Yeah.
What's been up with you, and specifically in your love life?
What's been up? Nothing has been up. It's very unexciting. Largely just getting over the one situationship, which has been mostly what my dating life
आप भी इस
comprises.
एज में भी सिचुएशनशिप.
इस एज में I'm not 40. I am just.
नहीं मतलब
हाँ.
I thought situationships are like for 18, 19 years.
You don't plan a situationship. I think वो बस हो
Okay,
जाती है.
okay,
You go
okay.
into it thinking either casual or relationship. It turns out fooled.
Neither.
Yeah, turns out neither. Exactly.
It's a canon event, though. I think we all have to go through it once.
So I think I've realized that I do fool myself into thinking कि it'll be casual. Because I can't fall in love with him and bam 6 months later we're in love.
Yeah.
So I think for
We
that
nahi.
reason,
We
nahi.
sorry, you guys, yes, thank you. Exactly my point. In my head, I can see us getting married, but it's not in his head apparently.
No, it was
But
never
yeah.
gonna be you.
It was
It was
never-
never gonna be you.
And this is when my friends warned me. I remember the last guy that I was dating. I tell my friend literally the next day when I meet her, I'm like, मुझे लग रहा है इससे प्यार हो जाएगा.
I'm in love with him.
And no, I tell her I think I'm gonna
can't.
fall in love with this
Yeah.
guy, and she's like with that face where she's like, why? So currently in my dating life, though, I feel like I'm avoiding. I'm also like on a self-awareness journey, taking therapy, healing parts of me that make me fall in love with guys where I'm like shouldn't happen but does. So, but yeah, I told you earlier, I've never been in a serious relationship, so I'm at that point in my
Never.
life.
कभी
Never.
नहीं.
नहीं relationship ही नहीं हुआ. I was in an all girls boarding school, then I was in an all girls college. तो chance ही नहीं आया. College में chance आया था 2 साल के लिए COVID. Now I just want to, I want to experience a genuine relationship because I've seen my friends feel so fulfilled with it, like with the right person when you can actually devote time, etc.
So you said you kind of dated a variety of people. Did you observe any patterns, or like is there a particular type that you gravitate towards again and again?
Your typical successful guy was my type. Dated a guy like that, Bangalore with he was a founder. So like really checked all the boxes. He was a founder. I was 23, he was like 31. So I just did it for the plot. Did it for the
But a
plot.
little predatory, don't you think?
Yeah, of course
In
for them. So
retrospect?
that's how my friends helped me get over him. And they were like, hey, girl, if you dating an older guy is amazing, but like why was he on the app? And why was his age barrier so low?
Exactly.
Like, isn't that crazy? And that made me really get over him because that gave me the ick. Yeah, so I dated those type of guys, was let down again and again. So last guy that I dated was actually, couldn't even speak English. He was a sports person. So he used to play sports professionally. Exactly. And that's why I thought कि इसके साथ कहाँ कुछ होगा, हमारा टाइप का है ही नहीं है. And then I realized कि bro टाइप वाइप कुछ नहीं होता. ये सब ट्रॉमा का मामला होता है.
मुझे तो नहीं लगा कि ये दो जेंडर्स आपस में डेट करने के लिए बने हैं. मुझे नहीं
Says the
लगता.
one who's dating for the last 2 years. तो फिर आपका क्या चल रहा है फिर?
अरे मेरा छोड़ो तुम अभी. सब छोड़ो.
You
Yeah.
mentioned your mom. Do you
Yeah.
ever feel like pressure to go out and like meet people, or like eventually शादी का discussion आता है कभी आपके life?
Abhi nahi hai. So I'm 20, I'm going to be 27. It's an indirect conversation. So I know that the conversation is going to be serious when my dad comes into the picture. Because my dad is really not the type of person to interfere in life choices. तो जब तक उन्होंने pick up नहीं करी है तब तक हम ठीक हैं. And my mom also keeps saying कि मैं अभी तक उनको रोके रखी हूँ and all. So my mom is pretty chill. In fact, my mom is like, date करो, ढूंढ लो so that it doesn't become our problem. And we don't live in the times where you can force someone to sit at a mandap, right? So the parents, they want it easier on themselves कि ठीक है, just bring a decent guy, right? Like there are 2-3 हमारी चेकलिस्ट की चीज़ें हैं जो उनको लगता है कि ये तो बेयर मिनिमम है, एंड हमें लाइक वी डू क्वेश्चन दैट क्राइटेरिया, बट ठीक है वो कास्ट एंड एक्सेट्रा को इवन इफ यू पुट असाइड, शी स्टिल ओपन की डेट, लाइक गो ऑन डेट्स. एंड आई डिड टेल व्हेन आई वाज इन बैंगलोर, आई वुड कीप माय मॉम अपडेटेड कि ठीक है आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ डेट एंड आई हैव कॉल्ड दिस गाय ओवर एंड मैंने उसको कड़ी चावल खिलाया. यस आई हैव डन दैट. एंड
कड़ी चावल आपने बताया?
या राजमा भी खिलाया. ब्रो द शिट आई हैव डन, द वाइफ मटेरियल शिट women will do for 2 कौड़ी के लड़के. I think I'm principally not aligned with the concept of arranged marriage so much that कि मैंने उस आइडिया को टाइम ही नहीं दिया है कि व्हाट इफ हम अरेंज मैरिज के थ्रू उस इंसान से मिल जाए जो हमें अच्छा लगता है. एक्चुअली मेरा उसमें एक्चुअली दिक्कत ये आती है कि इफ़ यू रीच्ड अरेंज, अगर आपका बायोडाटा आपकी मम्मी भेज रही हैं, आप कितने खराब इंसान हो यार. आपको अभी तक कैसे नहीं मिला?
नहीं यार, आप थोड़े से बदकिस्मत भी तो हो सकते हो.
बिकॉज़ सेम सिचुएशन में हो सकते.
एग्जैक्टली, बट मुझे बस मेरे अंदर वो आ जाता है कि यार शायद आप नहीं हो इतने अच्छे, शायद कुछ तो आपका फंडा खराब है. मतलब
बट अगर वो बंदा परफेक्ट हुआ,
Arrange
जैसा
marriage
चाहिए
करना है
आपको
क्या हम?
एकदम वैसा ही मिल रहा है,
Arrange
एकदम
marriage
मस्त,
में?
हाँ, तो फिर क्या करोगे?
I think I would be open to giving such a person a chance. कि मेरी cousin बहन है जिसके लिए they keep sending profiles. She had come over to my place and showed me a profile where I was like, ये तो अच्छा है भाई. तो उसने मेरे लिए मैसेज कर दिया बंदे को कि so I have a sister who's interested. He never replied. But plot के लिए I think कर लिया जाएगा. And plot के लिए अगर ढंग का लड़का मिल गया, I will give him a shot. क्योंकि यार गारंटी तो किसकी है ना, गारंटी तो मैं if I bring a guy home, there is no guarantee 5 साल बाद वो कुछ खराब नहीं करेगा. Yeah, it's always a gamble. The gut is saying कि ठीक है भाई अच्छा बंदा है, let's give him a chance. I would. अब भी आई थिंक वो मेंटल ब्लॉक है. आई थिंक एट 29 व्हेन आई फील टू लोनली, आई बी लाइक चलो ये भी करके देख लेता है.
मेरे को तो हमेशा ऐसे लगता है, मेरे को हमेशा लगता है कि अब मेरे को अभी क्लैरिटी नहीं है, बट 29 में हो जाएगी. मैंने यही सोचा था कि 26 में हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
और जब मैंने really
ago.
reached that age, नहीं होती भाई, क्लैरिटी हो ही नहीं पा रही है.
Bro, clarity तो I don't think कभी आती है यार. I have friends who are like 30 and they're like कहाँ है clarity?
नहीं है. क्लैरिटी कहाँ मिलती है?
Bro, I
पहाड़ों के ऊपर.
Bro, I think clarity menopause के बाद आती है. When they're like,
oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah, like I genuinely
Once
think
your whole reproductive thing gets over.
Yeah, when
now
the society
you're
has
gonna see
discarded you, you're like, now I think I can live my life. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. अब this is all coming from जो Instagram पे reels मैंने देखी हैं 40-year-old women who are like कि भाई 40 is the age where a switch goes off and you're like, I don't care. And I think that that's gonna happen.
मुझे लगता है कि यार क्यों, why should I like just wait for my 40s to turn that switch off? मुझे अभी करना है वो switch off भाई. I just want to live my best life right
ऐसे
now.
तो फिर patriarchy नहीं जिंदा रह पाएगी अगर आप इतना कर लेंगे switch off तो. Please, patriarchy has to thrive. Capitalism as a system has to function. Therefore, the woman must be
Conform. Fall in line.
She must be made to feel the victim every day. मुझे ऐसा लगता है like I get glimpses of that self. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे पीरियड्स जब खत्म होते हैं ना, उसके बाद के जो मेरे 2 दिन होते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ब्रो इफ आई वांटेड टू आई कुड कॉन्कर द वर्ल्ड. आई एम माई ओनली हर्डल. मतलब मेरे रास्ते में बस मैं ही एक दुविधा हूँ. और 3rd 4th डे पीरियड के आते ही वो चला जाता है. Menstrual cycle I think really plays the games on you. I would have been a different person today अगर मेरे periods 2 दिन पहले चले गए होते. But अभी 2 दिन बाद आने वाले हैं, therefore I'm a different person altogether.
At the mercy of the moon.
Really,
the
we are.
lunar cycle. You mentioned earlier about how like you gave yourself the ick from one of the guys. What are some of your like irrational icks or icks that you have gotten?
Very weird. But एक तो yes, I definitely do get an ick when I suddenly realize that इस इंसान के कोई पैशन या पर्पस नहीं है. मतलब वो होता है ना, you start seeing someone and 3rd week you basically know their routine. By this time 3rd week 1 month कि अच्छा ठीक है ये 4-5 चीज़ें हैं in which they dabble. They don't have like a purpose. They don't want to do anything. That turns me off a lot. But also irrational ick would be when I see someone like get sick and not be able to take care of themselves. Because I've done that a lot.
I need mama.
हाँ, मतलब I don't like it. Like just I don't like that I have to get up and maybe do things for you just because you have a cold. Like I've lived alone for so long and I've done everything. Also, I deal with cramps like every month and I'm able to take care of myself. Like I don't like when men act like babies just because they're sick. Pain is a very big part of women's life. and therefore subconscious में they're always ready, या तो monthly या फिर that one big pain कि मुझे बच्चा करना है, मुझे पता है. So I think yeah, that way I don't think they're
नहीं
as
उनके हिसाब से
familiar.
उनको हो रहा है, like हमें भी तो होता है period.
I've had a guy tell me once that blue balls were as bad as period cramps.
Bro, okay.
And it's like, period cramps is one thing, but
Yeah.
you can't give me blue balls. That's like
Yeah.
human rights abuse.
Yeah.
Like, okay,
Bro.
please.
Yeah, but what are your icks? Tell me yours also.
I've gotten the ick so like if a guy's playing cricket or like even table tennis and he misses the ball and then he has to go like run after the ball and he's like crawling on the floor like under the thing to like go get the ball and
Mhm.
like that is not like
Yeah.
someone who's gonna protect me in the war. You know?
Oh
what I
god,
mean?
no, I
Like,
totally get
how are
that.
you gonna-
Mhm.
How are you gonna hunt?
Yeah.
If you're
How are
like
you gonna
crawling
hunt?
around looking for
Yeah.
a ping pong ball like under
Yeah,
the table.
men used to
I've
find
gotten
them.
the ick a few times. Like, you're in the metro, standing there, and then the metro car stops abruptly, and then he like trips.
Oh god.
Please
That-
stand up. Stand up.
Be a man.
Be
That- yeah.
So those
Stop.
are a
That
couple
makes
times.
a lot of sense
So
actually.
I don't know about ambition and purpose, driven
Yeah.
insan. What's up, TK?
Bhagovat and just like stop tripping over yourself. Like,
Don't trip.
yeah.
Don't trip.
I hate man boobs. Like,
Oh,
Mm. Okay.
oh no, you can't have that.
I think these days too, like if I can bench more than you, it's kind of an ick.
No, no,
Like
always.
if I'm stronger,
If I'm stronger than you, no, it's
okay,
not gonna
so
happen.
you're my, like I have to protect you now. Like you're
Yeah.
my, you know,
Yeah.
what I
And
mean?
a younger age, I can still handle. I can handle it because I've seen friends of mine dating younger boys who are like actually really emotionally intelligent, considerate.
The new generation.
Yeah, and that's something that I've noticed that as much as I've lost hope with our generation of men, I do see like the generation coming after is actually much better. Yeah.
भाई
relationship.
एज से तो नहीं लेना देना है. I'm telling you,
इसका
मैं
भी
तो-
बंदा
मेरा तो
छोटा।
बंदा अभी छोटा है. उससे 2.5 साल थोड़ा पीछे है.
Yeah.
No, but he's like मुझे कभी ऐसे
We love
कभी
a
नहीं
younger
है.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, ज़्यादा बड़े छोटे बराबर सबको डेट कर लिया, but it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
What's your red flag?
Oh, then I become very codependent. Just like you come into my life and suddenly I expect things of you even though we're not a thing already. So that's a problem with me. I know where it comes from. Like again, boarding school, it just feels like I've always grown up around people. So when I do meet a new person, I do have this tendency to already think long term. Like if I meet a new girl, I'll be like, can she and I be friends? Like that's just at the back of my mind already happening. And the best friend का concept वहाँ बहुत tight था because they are all you had. Yeah, so I think maybe it comes from there. But yeah, I do become very codependent very quickly. And मतलब I will start considering you in every aspect of my life. Like we would be dating तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी. We'll be seeing each other. And if I have a probable plan with you, let's say Tuesday next week, and if someone says कि अगले weekend Tuesday को वहाँ चलने के, I'll be like, but what if like he wants to plan with me? उसके what if पे ये वाली life जो है वो fuck हो जाती है. So that's a very big red flag in me that I'm working on, I think.
That's a good one to work on.
Yeah, that's a very important one to work on. Yeah.
Yeah, look, I think the ability to be alone and in my own company
Yeah.
changed everything for me.
That is my most recent and most important quest as well. Like I've learned to be alone. I haven't learned to enjoy my time by myself.
Yeah.
Like those are also like it
Hmm.
happens step by step.
Like आप अकेले तो हो, but then you are also like you want to just like watch and like fill your time basically. You just want
Yeah,
to fill that
yeah.
time with something.
कि हाँ, I have hours to myself, but I'll watch a movie, I'll do Netflix, and तो चला गया ना वो time.
चला ही
So,
गया.
and you
Wasn't
can't always
you.
do that. Like
Mhm.
sure, like doing a Netflix or whatever sometimes is great, but that can't be your
खा लिया
only
या
resort.
अकेले कुछ
हाँ.
कर लिया.
I think you will always be exploring and learning more about yourself through life. The more you can do it before getting into a relationship, the better.
Do you have any like dating,
yeah.
or like horror stories or stories from your time?
Thankfully, I've actually had pretty decent ones. एक बार हुआ था where I got catfished. I was in Bangalore, HSR में रहती थी, and went from HSR to Whitefield at like 11 in the night. And so I just go, I'm like, and White is like 45 minutes away. So I went, I saw this guy, and I'm like, you look much uglier than you did in your pictures. And I just didn't know what to do thereafter. And I was like, I don't feel like going back 45 minutes. मतलब वो रात के 1-1:30 बज जाएगा, मुझे नींद आ रही है. एक तो I already didn't like you. ऊपर से I went to his room and he had the smallest room in a 3 BHK. And I'm like, no. And
When you find out he's not the leader of the friend group.
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
bro.
yes,
Like you
yes.
picked the ugliest friend in the
you
group.
did your shit, bro.
Oh
that
my.
really. And I did realize that. But the only good thing I was like, okay, we have to optimize this night for something. हम वापस तो नहीं जा रहे. हाँ, and So I went over and I remember this guy was from IIM Bangalore. उस time पे मुझे MBA करना था. So I was like, maybe there's something here. He took me to the terrace. He's like, चलो छत पे चलते हैं. बातों में I was like, so I am Bangalore. तो he was like, yeah. फिर मैंने 1.5 घंटा बैठ के उससे I am Bangalore admission process CAT इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछते हैं. I extracted so much information from him.
Love it.
And then I was like, bro, I'm like really sleepy. Went downstairs, slept, woke up 6 a.m. left.
Perfect.
Bro, I was like,
Great
huh, at least I did not have a terrible time.
Vasuli.
I've heard women do this where they're like, didn't find a guy on dating app but sold 2 copies of my book. And I'm like, वो अच्छी अच्छी कहानियां हैं. Like women are optimizing the dating app for whatever it can give them. कुछ तो value
In
मिले.
this economy, you
Yeah.
gotta get the bag any way
Yeah.
you can.
तो मैं तो हमेशा when I was single and when I was going out on dates from dating apps, तो मेरा तो 2 ही motive होते थे. Either the guy will be good, either I'll just enjoy his company. That's it. If I go with that intentions, तो date हमेशा ही अच्छी होती थी.
That's
हमेशा. I think that's the trick.
interesting.
Did you see a difference dating guys in Bangalore versus Gurgaon?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, really?
Bangalore people are a lot less entitled, arrogant. Also, they're much more familiar with routine chores, household chores.
Oh.
I went on like a shoot with another office person, like a colleague, and हम Airbnb में रुके थे. And भाई हमने dinner खाया है, and he cleaned his plate and kept it back, and I didn't do that. A lot of men in Bangalore, I'm like, okay, like this has been terrible, this whole situation, but at least every conversation I had with you, you had something to offer. Like I could really hold a conversation. मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा नॉर्थ इंडिया में वो शोशाबाजी का कल्चर है कि टू शो दैट आई एम अ मैन.
Loud.
भाई मैंने इतनी
Right.
टेरिबल यहाँ की डेटिंग स्टोरी सुनी है. लाइक दिस गाय विल जस्ट शो अप विद लाइक अ गुच्ची लिखा है व्हाटएवर, लाइक बिग जस्ट शोइंग ऑफ. हाँ, like उसकी बेल्ट है, this and that. And no shade to Delhi, I've had my fair share of good experiences also.
Okay, God bless.
Yeah, but I think Bangalore, I feel like Bangalore is a better dating space if you're ready to like settle down. Delhi is good for like, वो
Sure.
toxic man आपको मस्ती करनी है तो आप दिल्ली में डेट, नॉर्थ इंडिया में डेट करो.
चंद्रा की 1 way ticket कराओ.
नहीं,
Bangalore की.
नहीं, I might need
I
to change
genuinely
my
think
type.
I
I
feel-
might need to change my type.
No, South India will change your type for the
Yeah.
better. Like you
For the
feel like you will go there and obviously because you find people look different, profiles are different. आपको लगता है कि भाई वहाँ के लोगों ने genuinely अपनी dating profile में effort डाला.
मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
शायद वो बंदी के साथ बैठा था और शायद उसको बंदी, क्योंकि हमने करा है for 2 of my guy friends who are not even that close. I have made that dating profile because they really wanted it to be good and they just didn't know how to do it.
Yeah.
And that's the case with most men. They're
Well,
like,
at least they made the effort to come to you
yeah,
and ask for
and they're
help.
like कि भाई
Here,
please
what,
बना
here,
दो.
what are they writing?
Exactly.
अरे nothing. 4 pictures. That's it.
Same photo
yeah.
from
Same
different
photo.
angles.
Yeah, I made that reel.
हाँ
No, I
भाई,
haven't, man.
it's literally they're
हाँ
posting
भाई वो
same
एक बार
photos.
जाएंगे गोवा, वहाँ की 4 फोटो है क्योंकि वहीं पे उनकी अच्छी खींची, उसका उनकी अच्छी
यार,
खींची.
कभी-कभी, but also they'll be on a पहाड़ वाला
Yeah.
trip, तो वो सड़क के side वाला में भी they'll
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Maggie on the
And also
mountains.
there's this
और ocean पे है तो
guitar.
एक shirtless.
हाँ,
Yeah, shirtless तो yeah, there should be. हाँ, एक
guitar
या तो
वाला
gym.
जरूरी.
Guitar is also जरूरी.
एक बार तो मैंने एक लड़के को अपनी वाइफ की फोटो के साथ देखा था dating app.
No, फिर वो लोग वो third ढूंढ रहे
Looking
होते
for
हैं
a
ना.
third.
Yeah,
It
have you
was
ever
like,
matched with
right?
such people? अब मेरा
Why would I match with
no,
someone
because
like
मेरा
that?
ऐसा हुआ था कि I matched with a guy, वो बंदे की प्रोफाइल थी, and then he is like कि actually I have a wife and we are looking for a third person, and I'm like no, I feel duped. Like
Yeah,
at least
like you
mention
should
it on the
have written
profile.
that. Like, I
Yeah.
want to see the शादी
Looking
photo,
for a
like,
third.
on the
तुमने
front.
बच्चे करने का सोचा है कभी?
Like, oh,
हम दो
bro.
हमारे दो.
What else? What's the
then-
wildest thing you've seen on a dating app, like profile?
Wildest thing, bro. People have posted dick pics. I've seen a
What?
dick pic. Yeah, yeah. It was just a very crazy and वो पूरी
Out
वो
of
profile
nowhere.
थी. Looking for my baby girl, want to splurge.
Oh
Just
my
so creepy
God.
profiles नहीं होती. Like this 43-year-old man who's like no agenda in life but to like just mate with a young girl, whatever. तो वो profile थी and just like तो I've seen that.
But
You
एक
guys?
बात बताऊं, कभी
हाँ.
like never hide about what's going wrong in your relationship
From your
from
girlfriends.
your girlfriends.
No, no.
You don't have any friends, female friends. मैं कह रही हूँ colleagues को बता दो, किसी को बस बता दो. They'll
Okay.
tell you. मतलब a person who's not in that relationship can easily tell कि भाई what's wrong and what's not.
I've dealt with situations where my friends have told me a red flag behavior and I've told them कि बहन ये तो आपको पता है ना फिर आप किस राह पे चल रहे हो, like it can only lead to XYZ, and they're like हाँ but I for whatever reason अभी I can't break it off, whatever they have their reasons,
Like I'm not
explanation.
ready or whatever.
हाँ, and so even in that case I feel like it's just your duty to then just be like okay ठीक है, I hate that you're doing this but कल को जब खराब होगा बताना मुझे, like I need, I'm
Like I'll
still
be
here.
there for you.
हाँ,
I'll
I'm not
listen
judging
to
you. I'm not saying that you are a bad person because you're with a bad guy. मैं तेरे को बता रही हूँ वो खराब है बंदा. Manipulator को पता है ना कि वो क्या कर रहा है.
पता है भाई.
So, and it has also happened such that my friends have gotten out of a relationship. We were like just sitting down having a conversation about that guy. And she's like, you know what? He hated you. He like blocked you on Instagram.
I mean, that should have been your first sign. If
Yeah.
a guy hates
And that
your
was
best
one of-
friend, like you're likely very similar to your best
But that's what I'm saying, like that. And she's a very sensible, very smart person. So
Yeah.
I would have, even I found it very difficult for her to not be able to see past that. But then I know.
Have you ever like done any like detective behavior to find out something about someone?
I wouldn't call it detective behavior, but after I stopped seeing this guy, he was a founder, I realized that he started a podcast. And I found out, मैंने सारे videos देखे podcast के एक घंटा इतनी financial knowledge मिली है मुझे उन videos से. But watched all of those videos and I'm like कि इसकी life कुछ तो होगा जो ये बताएगा podcast पे जिससे मुझे पता चलेगा इसकी life में.
पता चलेगा
Oh.
he's seeing a girl or something.
But I did find out he like upgraded his car. कुछ तो इसने से Merc ले ली थी. I was like ठीक है मुझे इतना ही बचा कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं चला
But
because
I like the fact that you're using all these men as a way to like upskill yourself. Like
honestly, am I not?
IIM जाना है तो चलो
Yeah.
मुझे counseling दे दो. एक
Yeah,
काम करो,
tell me
मुझे
every-
थोड़ा financial education तो दे दो.
Yeah, something.
कुछ
Yeah, I think my coping mechanisms are actually not that bad.
I mean, that's kind of dope.
Yeah,
You're smart.
upskilling.
Use
Huh?
them.
I try.
Use the men. Date
Okay.
above your league or below your league.
Oh God.
ये तो बहुत tough है.
Above my league तो वो trauma कह रहा है, but below my league he should always be in check.
Below.
Yeah, below.
Stay in check.
Yeah, keep them on their toes.
Date a workaholic or date someone who doesn't think about work at all.
Yeah, workaholic.
Workaholic.
Absolutely.
We're gonna do rapid. ठीक है तुम दोनों
Workaholic
जवाब
अच्छा
दो.
है.
Workaholic. Yeah, stay busy.
ठीक है. Catch your partner cheating once or never catch them but always suspect that they might be
Oh
cheating.
my God.
Cheating once.
Cheating once.
Yeah.
Would you rather be with someone who never wants kids or be with someone who wants kids but has a very different parenting style than you?
Does not want kids. I don't
Does
have
not
kids.
want kids.
You don't want kids?
I don't want to have kids.
Not a mother figure.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's a 10 but he never washes his face.
What? He's not a 10. He's a 1. Never
Oh,
washes his face. But he's bathing.
He's bathing.
Then actually no. Then that's fine.
That's
I
fine.
think it's hot, like not washing your face with water. I love that actually.
Just scrub
10 out of 10.
What a man.
mud.
But yeah,
You're
what a man.
This
Yeah.
is when our toxic side. This is at the point of the podcast.
Just
where
y'all guys.
we just start asking for like a borderline Neanderthal.
Yeah.
10, 10.
Y'all do. Y'all really do.
He's a 10, but he cries really easily at movies and TV shows.
Love him 100.
ट्रॉमा रिस्पॉन्स पे मैं बहुत कम करना चाहती हूँ बट ठीक है
मतलब आप तो
Five.
gut reaction दे सकते. 5.
5
He's a 10, but he gets really jealous.
oh he's an 11
Oh, no. I think
I
1.
like jealous people
I hate it.
yeah
Yeah.
I
that's
love
because
a
I've never been in a relationship see
हाँ,
Oh,
मेरा
God,
idea of
पता नहीं
relationship है कि
चलेगा
शायद
आपको.
नहीं
अच्छा
भाई
हो
jealous तो भाई it's बेकार
It's
scene
a- it's
जाता है.
a-
I want to secure man.
हाँ,
That
it's
actually
hard.
makes
Imagine
sense.
you're going someplace and he's like, who else is there?
oh
What guy is there? क्या बात?
take back my answer I'm gonna say he's a 7
He's a 10, but he stands up as soon as the plane lands.
You.
no
Hate it. Because I'm the one. I'm that
You
person.
stand
no but
नहीं मजाक का joke है
no.
joke.
Okay. no I hate that
He's a 10.
because but like why are these people in such a hurry theater में भी बहुत लोग होते हैं they start rolling credits and these guys are gone and I don't like that where are you off to
Where do you have to go?
Where do you
Did
have to be?
schedule an appointment as
Yeah.
soon as this movie ends?
exactly
We clap when we land.
You clap when the plane lands.
Oh, God.
Remind me never to travel with you. He is a 10, but he insists you shave your body hair.
no
He
not at all
insists.
that you
insist
shave.
not your problem don't not your body not your opinion I don't like that at all
But he's like, oh, it turns me off. Like if you have hair on your arms.
this
or
is turning
your
me
legs.
off no I don't
नहीं,
like
नहीं,
that
I think
Like,
that's
insisting it's good
two,
to have a
two.
preference
I'll rate him 2.
हाँ मतलब जैसे I like it when a guy shaves but I'm not gonna make that your problem कि ठीक है if you do it it's hygienic so yeah make that
Beards
call
or no beards?
beards absolutely
Beards.
Yeah.
Beardy.
So stance, you mentioned short kings.
I've dated them I don't mind them
Okay.
कितना short आप short prescribe करते हो?
yeah and I've dated as short as 5'6" also 5'7" भी करा है
Because like my
So,
biggest
I'm not
problem
really-
is like you'll see the tallest guy, like the 6'3", and he's with the 5-foot girl, and I'm like, girl, you gotta like leave some for some of us.
आप लोगों को तो you need like a minimum 6 feet or what
No, not me,
not you
but I'm okay with the short king.
But जो भी physical traits होते हैं it will not matter in long term ना वो तो obvious सी बात है.
Obviously.
Obvious सी
Yeah.
बात है.
Great
yeah
place to close.
Yeah.
Great place to close. So I'll sign out. Thank you so much for watching another episode of The Brunch Club. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave in the comment section below what more questions we should tackle with Shreya next time. We'll see you later.
next time this is gonna be next time
Bye.
yay bye
Bye.